All right, I switched over to this type of French press essentially after I broke a number of the glass carafes, and I also just love the look of this beautiful French press. So as you can see, I have it in a couple different sizes depending on my mood and how much coffee I want. So I've already pre-boiled the water, so I'm just gonna measure out. Every time I make a French press, I have to Google what volumes I need. Oops, that's way too much. I'm just trying to make a little French press this morning. Oop, still too much. Okay. Almost nailed it. All right, I'm going to set a timer and enjoy my French press.